This time of year, a lot of people really need to get a greenhouse fix, or you've got houseplants at home that are maybe looking a little bit peaked. So think about the kinds of conditions that you are giving those houseplants. It's been gray and cloudy, and certainly the ones that need a lot more sun are probably a little bit unhappy. It's also a little bit difficult sometimes to deal with that dry heat in a home. That can also have impact on your houseplants. So what to look for or what to do besides just enjoying it and hoping that we get a little bit of sunshine or going to a real greenhouse? Something like this really simple air plant, which is one of my favorites because I'm terrible with houseplants and even I can't kill this one, but it also sheds parts. So this dried up old dead foliage in any of your plants, you want to remove that and get rid of it just in case it's insect-based or pest-based or simply doesn't look good. The interesting cylindrical snake plant is looking a little bit peaked, like it probably needs a little bit of fertilization. Houseplants do like to be crowded in the container, a lot of them do. But you can see that we also have what looks an awful lot like some rust starting on the ends of these particular snakes, if you will. So getting rid of those kinds of things also will help keeping those diseases from spreading. Water requirements are going to vary, and of course a lot of our Crassulaceae family plants or our succulents really thrive without much water, but that doesn't mean no water. They also are going to stretch if they don't get enough sun, so the ability to either add artificial light or move them to a sunny window is going to be important. And if you have plants that are showing an awful lot of yellowing foliage in places where it shouldn't be yellow, check for either overwatering, which is very easy to do, or underwatering. Dig down in the base of that plant and figure out, is there something else going on that you really need to attend to if you're going to keep those houseplants healthy.